Yo, what up, Speedy fam? We back at it again with another banger. This time I got a whole pimp my ride situation for y'all. So my brother from Taos has a Honda Fit 2. It's a white one, 2008. He was like, you know, I want a nice car. I want to be able to roll around. I want to be able to looking fresh. And I'm like, bro, even though you barely got a Fit, you still got to be rolling fresh. You still got to be rolling clean. So what we're doing, complete refresh. Rims, roof wrap, radio, HID headlights, coilovers, you name it, we're doing it. Stay tuned. Say what up. Oh yeah, oh yeah. All right, so we got the whole front end taken apart. 10mm bolts holding in all the headlights. Take all those off. We've just finished installing the HIDs in. So now he gonna be rolling in that blue stat, dog. Ooh wee, look at those things in there. Can't really tell, but hey, we're moving along. We're moving along. We also got a new stereo for the dash, so that's coming out. We're putting the new one in. We're moving along, fam. We moving. The Civic's gone. Put the blades on the Fit right here. Now, only thing we're waiting for is bringing that little baby in, and you know, we'll be prepped, baby. We'll be prepped. All right, the fact that we're swapping the radio comes with brand new parts of this, so we gotta make sure to take off all the adjustments for the air. And there's a little Phillips head back here. I can see it. Don't lose the screw. Don't strip it either. Definitely not something you want to do. I can go out any day of the week. There you go. That one's done. And remember that mechanic tip that I told you a few videos ago. Don't forget to put the screw back where it goes for reference. All right, Speed fam. You know, we back at it again. I got a little buddy right here working with me. You know who I'm saying. We got Enzo Jet coming in clutch. Yo, what's up, Enzo? How you doing, buddy? Say what's up to the Speed fam. Oh, we out here grinding. We out here working on Uncle Mario's car, huh? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, that's Enzo Jet right there. Stay tuned on what's next. Yo, we got FedEx. Yo, FedEx just showed up. Another package in the mail. Let's open it up. So this guy just got some tails in. Overnighted parts from Japan.
Overnight parts from Japan.
As you can tell by all the newspaper, we have articles of what's happening today in Japan.
Thank you
from Japan. Ooh, we straight up overnighted these, dog. Damn.
You could still do something real quick, huh?
Sheesh. Damn, son. What you think about them lights, baby?
I like them.
I like them. Oh, yeah.
So we throw those on real quick?
Let's do it. We just got a new windshield. What's up, baby? Shout out to Walker Auto Glass, my homie Bo. Hooking it up with the front windshield. If you need a replacement, hit him up. Information will be in the description below. So as you see, we ain't fucking around out here. We putting on rims, we putting on coils, we putting on taillights, we putting on new front windshields, we putting on a wrap on the roof. Oh, you know, the whole nine, we wrapping it around, baby. And we got the tires, we got the wheels loaded up, ready to go put them on. See how good it comes together. This is the first major project that I've done besides the Speed. Speed's taking some time. I know I need to get more of the content out there, but no, it's on the way. All right, y'all, gotta head out to U-Pull-It. This decided to go aggro on the radio and rip that right out. So we have to go pick up a new part. Here's a little monologue and a little music to ease the mind. Just left U-Pull-It, got door panels, the wing, the part for the radio. We're balling out now. Roll out, roll out. All right, let's get about this. head back to the house, drop this shit off, and then go pick up the wheels. And then start on the coils. This drive home ain't no joke, bro. We stuck in traffic right now. Does this guy have fucking Lolos on his truck? Aw, shit. We got 5-0 behind us.
Right to jail.
Damn, look at the HIDs on the Ford. They're super blue. Alright, y'all, we just got back to where we dropped off the rims and tires to get mounted. And boy, do we have a surprise for you, man. This fit's gonna be looking real fit. What do you think about it, just from first glance? Gangsta, gangsta, gangsta. All right, let's go. Roll out, let's do the reveal, baby. Damn, son. Looking sick, bro. Damn. All right, y'all, that's gonna wrap it up for day one of Honda Fit. But as you can tell, I'm gleaming right now. I'm gleaming. The reasoning being, HIDs are done, taillights are done. Radio unfortunately had a problem, so I don't think that we're gonna be able to do the radio, but maybe another radio coming in the works. Let's do a walk around. Man, this camera just doesn't do justice, but man, these lights, you can tell they are some bright ass HI dizzles. Hell yeah. Okay, so HIDs are put on, windshield replaced. Ooh, look at these LEDs right here. Put the LED tail lights on, straight from Japan. Walk out that license plate. Looking so fresh and so clean, my guy. End of day one. Rough day, in and out from the U-Pull it. All right, y'all, day two up in this bitch. And we got the HIDs on, we got the tail lights on. Working on the roof wrap right now. It's coming along pretty good. We just need to do the coils, do the rims. Oh yeah, we got the forged carbon here. Damn, son. We're gonna be doing the roof. Coming out clean, coming out clean. All right, y'all, day two still going on. I know I've said that like 80 times, but god damn, we got some low in the front.
We got some fitness.
We got some fitness on the fit, y'all. Let's go ahead and let you check out our forged carbon roof that I did this morning, me and my brother. And we also now put it on the coils. Check it out. Damn, son. Forged carbon, dog. Oh yeah. All right, let's get to going. Let's finish up the rest of it. All right, y'all, front coils on. Man, sheesh. Look at that fitment though. I mean, it serves them right that the fit has the fitment, right? Jesus. All right, it's been about like 5 minutes and we already have the back off. About to put the back on, adjust it, put the wheels on, adjust it, and we'll go from there. Here's the new ones. Oh, that looks so clean. Cleaner than a whistle. All right, y'all, we got the whole car pretty much wrapped up. We got the stereo whipped. We've got the HIDs on, as you can tell. Shit's looking tucked and slammed like a mofo. G-stat. Ooh. And now what we're doing is we're pounding in this part just to allow for more clearance. Ooh, shit's looking deep right there, dog. Oh, hell yeah. That's G-stat right there. Damn, son. From rags to riches. All right, so that's gonna do it for this one. Speed fam, check us out in the next one. You know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you think of the fit. And I'm sure you'll see it in the future on the channel, but let us know how you like it. Peace.